Understanding killer applications, the game changers of the digital world. In the fast-paced world of technology, few terms capture the imagination and drive of innovation quite like killer application or colloquially, killer app. This concept represents software programs with user interfaces and features that are so compelling that they not only influence computing trends and drive sales, but they also reshape entire industries. Let's delve deeper into what constitutes a killer application, its historical roots, modern examples, and its significance across various sectors instead of being confined to just technology. What is a killer application? A killer application refers to a program or software that significantly boosts the sales and usage of the platform it runs on. Usually, these apps showcase features so innovative that they create a competitive edge for their developers and propel their parent businesses to new heights. The term emerged during the explosive growth of personal computers in the 1980s, as software applications began to penetrate consumer markets. Historical context. The origins of the term, killer application, can be traced back to the early days of personal computing when specific software, such as word processors, spreadsheets, and databases, began to emerge. Products like Microsoft Word and Lotus 1-2-3 exemplified how a strong application could dominate the market, often overshadowing competitors. These applications were essential not just for their functionality but also for their ability to drive sales of the hardware needed to run them, creating a symbiotic relationship between software and hardware manufacturers. Key takeaways. Innovative features. Killer applications exhibit innovative features that capture consumers' attention. Competitive advantage. They offer companies a significant competitive edge, often resulting in increased sales and market share. Brand loyalty. Killer apps can help cultivate strong brand loyalty, as users become reliant on the unique functionalities they provide. The value of killer applications. The inherent value of a killer application stems from its ability to drive user adoption. Because these applications tend to complement a particular platform, be it an operating system, a hardware device, or a gaming console, they often mitigate other perceived imperfections of that platform. Once users are invested in a killer app, the cost of switching to a competitor increases, which consequently bolsters customer loyalty. A classic example is Microsoft's Xbox gaming platform, which achieved significant success due to the popularity of its Halo game series. The strong following of Halo helped Xbox carve out a lasting presence in the gaming market, inspiring the term Halo Killer to describe other games that aim to compete with it. Modern examples of killer applications. In today's varied industry landscape, a multitude of killer applications have emerged, reflecting not just technological advancements but also changes in consumer behavior and preferences. Some notable examples include: iTunes revolutionized the way music is distributed and consumed, allowing Apple to transition from a computer manufacturer to a key player in the entertainment market. Social media apps, platforms like WhatsApp, Snapchat, and TikTok have redefined social interaction, drawing millions of users and influencing marketing strategies worldwide. Mobile banking apps. These applications have transformed how consumers manage their finances, driving engagement and user retention for banks and financial institutions. The digital age has seen killer applications that transcend technology. Industries such as healthcare, retail, and hospitality are now exploring their own killer apps to drive traffic and enhance customer experiences. For instance, a restaurant's mobile app that allows for online reservations, menu browsing, and loyalty rewards can significantly improve customer engagement. The quest for the next killer app. In an always-on culture, businesses from diverse sectors are striving to develop their own killer applications. These apps are no longer solely confined to the realm of tech but are sought across various industries as tools to enhance customer engagement and drive sales. Healthcare. Apps that facilitate telemedicine visits or allow for easy access to personal health records. Fitness. Wearable tech apps that track health metrics and provide users with a personalized fitness regimen. E-commerce. shopping apps that streamline the purchasing process while embedding advanced user experience features. In summary, a killer application is a defining feature of modern business strategy, encapsulating the necessity for innovation and customer-centric design. As industries continue to evolve and adapt to digital transformation, the focus on finding or developing the next killer app will only grow more crucial in securing competitive advantages in a crowded marketplace. Conclusion: killer applications have the power not only to change the trajectory of a company's fortunes but also to influence how we engage with technology in everyday life. As they evolve, the quest for the next generation of killer apps will shape the future of businesses, impacting everything from customer experience to brand loyalty. With emerging technologies and changing consumer preferences, the landscape of potential killer applications remains ripe for exploration.